Okay, I hope I will audible to all of you and everything is okay. So let's start our session for Standard 10 IT. I am Shudeshna and I will take your IT sessions for class 10. Today we will start with digital documentation, but before that I will little bit explain the total syllabus to you. Just 3 to 4 minutes, and in which software we will do the things actually, that I will discuss you, so that whenever I will do the practical or show you the practical portions, you will not get confused that what is this software and how we are doing this all. Okay, so just confirm me once that it is okay, all okay, and you can hear my voice properly, you can see the screen properly. Is everything is okay? Okay, I hope it is okay. So let's start with the session. So see, okay, this is a detailed syllabus of IT we are having here. Right now, I am showing you two portions of the syllabus. First portion is employmentary skills or employability skills, and second part is subject specific skills. That is the main portion of your syllabus. Right now, what we are having here, just see, just look into the syllabus once, you can understand. We are having 4 chapters. Sorry. We are having 4 chapters over here, unit 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first, today we are going to discuss over here digital documentation, this chapter, digital documentation in advance. The chapter name is that actually, and we are going to start this unit 1 for subject specific skill. Now the employmentary skill we will start later on. After doing a little bit of this subject portion, we will move on to the employmentary skills, and that is communication skills, self-management skill, basic ICT skills, entrepreneur skill and brain skill. Now let's see what we have in this unit 1, digital documentation. This is our first chapter, and we are having we are having 5 main portions of it. First, we have this create and apply style in the document. Okay, first we have to know how to implement a style in a document, and how to apply different kind of style, how to create our customized styles, how to modify a predefined style, all these things, what is style and all, and what are the other features we can use. Next thing is insert and use a image, right? Third part is create and use template. Template means predefined styles we are having already, some designs we are having that we can use in our open office. Okay, creating our document, it will be more professional, it will be more good, looking good and attractive. Okay, so and also in less time we can apply this template, and within the less time we can create our document. That is the main advantage, you can say, advantage of templates. Okay, number 4 is create and customize table of contents. Okay, now as you know that if you have done Word, MS Word before, you know in Word we can create our own table. In Open Office as well we can create our own tables. Okay, so we can use our customized table, we can use predefined tables as well, predefined designs of tables, as well as we can customize our tables. Okay, so that's why it is written create and customize table of content. Table of content we can create. Implement mail merge. Now this is a very important thing, mail merge. When I will go through this portion, you will see how to do the mail merge. Step by step I will show you the practical things so that you will understand what is mail merge. Okay, maybe this one is very new for some students, because maybe they have not done this mail merge before. In the corporate sector or in the business sectors, we use this mail merge to do our job, to do our task. Okay. Okay. Now, moving on to the next slide. And what picture you can see? Just tell me. I hope you can see the picture. And this is a picture of a very cozy and very big office. This is like an open office. Like, right, physically we can say, if we say open office, then this kind of picture will be there in our mind, or this kind of picture will be visualized in our mind, right? But actually, whenever we are talking about open office here, I have already mentioned open office 3 to 4 times beforehand. So whenever I am using this open office, actually it doesn't mean like this open office, it means a software. We will using a software called open office, and using that software we will create our document. Okay, now what is this open office? See, this is a kind of open office, this is another kind of open office, this is another picture of open office where you can see so many people are working here, and like in a group they are working here. Now they can share their work inside a group, they are sharing their work, they are sharing their task to achieve a bigger task or achieve a bigger goal, right? In the case of open office also, we can share our document, or I can say we can do partial job, right? Like suppose 5 people, if there are 5 people in a group, so I can distribute the job in among the 5 people. They can do their job and they can merge their job into the main thing or into the main document. Okay, that can be happen in open office, that can be done in the open office. Or suppose I want to share my work with my co-colleague, okay, or I want to share my work with some another people, I can do that as well. So open office is a software where we can create our document, and that is very easily we can create our document. Why we should use this open office? Because it is free in use, means it is a free software, it is a open source software, and it can comes in many different language. This is very important point, you should note down. Open office will comes nearly 900 language. It will translate over 90 languages. Okay, it can translate your work into 90 language. Okay, almost, right? So maybe you are thinking that some of you have used MS Word. So why we will use this open office, not MS Word? Because with the help of MS Word also we can do the documentation, right? But why we are learning this Apache open office? See, whenever you will go to a corporate sector, in a after your student life, you will enter your job life, you will enter your professional life, whatever your professional platform to create your document, right? So open office will provide this platform actually. Okay, this is a kind of a professional platform. This is not a very tough thing to learn, and not a rocket science, like you can't understand it. If you have learned Word, you can easily understand OpenOffice as well. But here things are little bit different. That's why I will show you in the practical things. Okay, let me introduce you with the OpenOffice first. The logo will looks like this, and let me open my software. Here here I am using actually OpenOffice. My version is 4.1.10. Okay, so let me open this. You can see this is my OpenOffice. You can see here. So OpenOffice actually not a single software. It will not comes with only text document. It will comes with a suite of software. It is come on a package like thing, or it is a package like thing, like it will comes with text documents, spreadsheet, presentation, formulas, database, drawings, and templates are there. You can download the template from internet as well. Okay, you can see there a download option is there. It is saying that here more informations are available, updated informations are available. Okay, so if I want to start my new text document, I will click over here, and you can see a text document has been created over here. Right. So this is a window of OpenOffice. You can see right here. So if I will write heading 1, title 3, like this way I can write my document over here. Okay. This way I can type. Now, let's move on to our presentation back. This is my OpenOffice logo I have given you. Now, as I shown you in that software, that what is OpenOffice, just look into this picture. Here, detail I have explained that what are the things is there inside the window of OpenOffice. Whenever we open, not OpenOffice, sorry, whatever is there in the window of text document, or I can say inside OpenOffice there is a software called digital documentation, or there is a feature we are having to create digital documentation. So what are there inside that window, what are the things? Here all the things are explained. One by one I will told you. See, this is the first thing. Okay, title bar. This whole portion, this topmost portion, I have marked here with the red color. This is the title bar. Okay, next is menu bar. See, menu bar is this much, not this one. This one is toolbar. Okay, this is called standard toolbar. Actually, this is a menu bar. This much is a menu bar. Okay, and this is a toolbar. Okay, here we can see file, edit, then insert, then format, tools, many other things are there. Okay, graphics is there, view is there. Okay, so these all things we can see in the standard toolbar. And inside this menu bar also there are some standard toolbar, or it is called some tools. Okay, here we can see many things are there which is also available in this toolbar. This is a toolbar. This one is a toolbar. Program window, or program window means in this portion we can write our text document. Okay, so here we can write our text document, and we can customize it as per our choice using the toolbar and menu bar, right? Okay, now what is this? The lower portion, this one is called status bar. Okay, it is given here, status bar, this portion. And there in the right hand corner, at the right hand corner, you can see here is a zoom control is there, that you can zoom the page, you can zoom out or zoom in the page, and the percentage is also given over here. Very it is not very clear actually, you can see. So this is the whole window of text document or digital documentation in OpenOffice. Okay, so what is OpenOffice? Again, I am repeating why we are using this OpenOffice. It is an open source software. It is free in use. Okay, it is a software which can be used in different platforms. Like maybe we are using Windows, Mac, or Linux OS. It can be used all of these three OS. So it is a cross platform software. It is cross platform supported software. It can support by any kind of software. It is very popular, and OpenOffice suite is not only just writer. As I shown you, OpenOffice suite can be many things are included there: presentation, spreadsheet, database, all things. And all the things you have in your syllabus actually. So we will, in the next chapter, we will see what is spreadsheet, then we will see what is the database, these all things. Okay, so gradually we will cover all the things. So I hope this thing you have understood. Okay, so before enter to it, I will like to say one thing. See, computer or IT, whatever you are calling it, it is just the practice that makes you perfect, or is just the practice that makes you feel like yes, it is very easy subject. Okay, if you practice more, or if you learn to practice properly, then you will find this subject is very very easy, and you can score 80 to 90% very easily. But if you are not understanding the things, and you are like try to grab the things without understanding it properly, without practicing it properly, you will never gonna score good marks in this subject. Like it is understanding level and practice. So always remember, computer is 90% practice and 10% of learning. Like I will must say, inside practice also you have to learn, otherwise you can't practice it properly. Like if you don't know the steps, how to implement a style, and how to implement a border, how to implement the text feature, how to insert an image, the steps you will not don't know, then you can't do. But I will say you one thing, it is not a rocket science. If you know the steps, it is very easier for you to do any kind of work in documentation or in any other software, right? Okay, now let's dive into this one, right? Now see, create and apply style in document. How to create and apply style in document. First of all, how to create the document? First we will open the OpenOffice, then click on the double click on the digital documentation, or single click over it. A new sheet will be created, white sheet will be created. That is, first we will create a sheet, then we will write some text and we can apply some styles inside the document. So let's see, a style. What is a style actually? A style is a set of formats that you can apply to select pages, text, frames, and other elements in your document to quickly change their appearance. You have to know this thing, or you have to understand this thing. Why we change this text color, text formats, or the frames, why we apply borders to change the appearance of the text. Definitely we want to look good document, we want to create good document, okay, whenever we are doing some professional work, right? So when you apply a style, you apply a whole group of format at the same time. So must remember, whenever we are applying a style, we are not applying a single thing at a time in that format. We are applying a group of things, a whole group of format. Okay. Now what is this style does? Actually, it will helps to improve consistency in the document. Like if the style of a document will same throughout the whole document, it will looks good, it will looks very professional, and it will very consistent. Like I'm not using different styles in different pages, right? If your document is of 5 pages, then you are using same text color, you are using text, same text format, or same text style, same text font size, all these things, same heading size or subheading size. So these all things are very important for a good document. Okay, so we can say it is a good document if the consistency or the style consistency of a document is good. Okay, now, what is OpenOffice ORG supports? What styles it will support? First, number one is page style. It will include margin, header, footers, borders, and backgrounds. In uh, in see this is CALC is the spreadsheet actually. Page styles also includes the sequence of printing sheets. That means if you are printing a sheet, then it will be include the page style whatever you have implemented. Okay. Okay. Now, paragraph style. What is paragraph style? Paragraph style will control all aspects of paragraphs appearance, such as text alignment, tab, stops, line spacing, and borders, and can include character formatting as well. What is character formatting? We can change a format of a character, that is character formatting. Next thing is character style. Okay, it will affect, or it will affect the selected text within a paragraph, such as font size of text or bold and italic formats. Like, as you know that italic, bold, these are all text format, and we can use such as font and size, text size and fonts, different size and font size we can apply in a document. So that is the character style. So each and every character, like in this line, if I say C is a character, H is a character, A is a character, right? TER, STY, this all letters, single letters are actually characters. So we can use different type of character styles. Okay. Next is frame style. Well, what is frame style? Now let's see. These are used to format graphics and text frames, including wrapping types, borders, backgrounds, and columns. So we can use our wrap text, like wrapping text means the whole text will be wrapped up into a format, okay, into a particular size or into a specified size. Borders we can apply to a text or to a page. I can say background colors or background I can change, columns I can add, right? Next is numbering style. So suppose you are writing a list, or you using a list kind of things, where you have to apply some number. So apply similar alignment, numbering or bullet. Bullet is unnumbered list, or we can say, like, I can give here a bullet. This is a bullet, or this can be a bullet, a square shape or a round shape. These shapes are available. Like, I can use this shape as a bullet. So this is one point, numbering style. This is second point, cell style. Okay, in this will include the fonts, alignment, borders, background, number formats. For example, currency, date, number. Yes, we can use currency, date and number inside our document. We can use different type of currency, like the symbols we can use. Okay, the formats we can use. Okay, next is graphic style. Graphic style is another thing. In drawings and presentation include line area. See, this graphic style is actually used in the time of the drawings or some presentation. If we are creating some presentation, that time we can use this graphic style. Okay, so in the shadowing area, transparency, these are the things that controls this graphic styles will control. That is shadowing, transparency of a page, of transparency of an image, font, characters, okay, dimensioning and other attributes. These attributes can be defined with graphic style. Last but not the least, presentation style. This will include attributes for font, indent, spacing and alignment. Indent means, suppose I am writing a text like this. Now I want to change a para. This is called indent. Or this, if this is a page, I am starting writing from here. This is one indent. Another thing I can do, if this one is a page, suppose I am starting writing from the middle. This is middle alignment. That is one indent. Okay. Indent means all the lines will come in the same format or in the same alignment. Okay. Whenever I will press enter, it will come in the same alignment. Right? Okay. Now, let's see. Now, till now we have seen how, what are the styles, but we are not seeing how to apply the styles. So let's see quickly how to apply the styles. Okay, now OpenOffice org provides several ways for you to select style to apply. First one, using the styles and formatting window. This is the first way of using style or applying style. Now, how to do this? First, click the style and formatting icon located at the left hand end at the object bar, or click format, then style formatting, or press F11. Okay. Next one is fill format mode. So these two ways actually we can use to apply our style. So let's move on to the OpenOffice and see how we are going to do this. Okay, so see, I have already written 2 lines. Okay, now I am writing one more line. Now first I have to select the document or the text that I want to change for format. So here is the format. You can see this is the format tab, or this is the format option. We can choose here styles and formatting, or F11 is the shortcut key for this styles and formatting. Also in this toolbar you can see, or in the menu bar you can see, here is the styles and formatting. So just let me apply it from here also. Okay, So here is the styles and formatting window came. You can move it as per your choice like this. Okay, with the help of the mouse pointer. Now it is you can see it is denoting it is default. It is in the default mode. If I double click on heading 1, you can see the writing has been changed. Okay, now I will change this one also. Here, heading 3. So you can see for heading 1, I have choose heading 10. Again, if I select it, sorry, heading 1, I have chosen here heading 1. So it is disabled, you can see. If I choose any other heading, so you can see the change. You can see the change over here. I hope you have understood the changes that I am doing here. And this is text body. So I am choosing here text body. You see the font style has been changed, right? So this way we can apply any style from here. Now this is the paragraph style. It is the paragraph style. Now character style. If I choose the character style, this is the character style. Okay, next one is frame style. Another after frame style we are having page style, then list style, then these two are fill format mode and new style from selection. So I will show you how to use a new style or how to modify the style as well. But before that, let's see the character style. Okay, so let me change this last thing, practice one. Okay, now double click on the example and you have seen that the style has been changed. I hope you have understood this thing. You have properly noticed that what is the difference between this is a document for and this word practice. This word practice is different. This is the document. If I select this one, you can see the style is default, but whenever I am selecting this practice, the style is example, right? So this is how we can apply character styles. The character styles is different. Okay, I can use different character styles here. Many styles are there. You can choose as per your choice, right? You can use these styles and see which is better looking or which is good for you. Okay, you can use any style from here. Now, the next thing I will do, modifying a style. Okay, modifying a style. Now see, I have written here modify my text. Modify my text style. Okay. Now selecting the text, always remember whatever you will applying, you have to select the text, otherwise it will not work. Okay. Now select the text and choosing a random style from here, like strong emphasize. Okay. Now going right click over this strong emphasize. You can see two options are available over here, new and modify. So I will go for the modify one. And see a window has been open over here. This is for your character style modification. You can modify bold italic or you can modify it regular, only bold. Okay, bold italic. See the default one is 12. I will make it 15. Okay, and you see the text will comes like this. This is a what I can say. This is how your text will looks like the in the screen after applying the style. Okay, Now the text style is Times New Roman, so I will change it as well. Let me make it, okay, this is not good. Typewriter or handwritten. Okay, let me write it with handwriting, like Lucinda handwriting. This will be my style. So I will click here OK, and you can see here it is. My style has been changed. At means change means it is modified actually. So I have taken a inbuilt style or that is present in our open office. I have taken that style, I have right click on it and I have modified it, right? So for the paragraph style as well, you can modify a style. So I am choosing here heading 8 and right click on it, modify. So you can see for this paragraph style the things are different, but here also you can find font effect, font, bold, italic, bold. So I am choosing here regular, okay, and I'm choosing here 80%, not 70% or 75%, and it will be Arial narrow. You can choose any of your style as your choice. Font effect, you can choose here double. This is, see, this is overlining and this is underlining, okay. I will choose here bold, okay. So I just want to show you how it will looks like if you choose overlining and underlining, okay. So I must not prefer to choose overlining and underlining in the same text, but I will just showing you, okay. Here you can choose shadow, outline, all these things you can choose here. Like your text will looks like this. So outline will looks like this, shadow will looks like this. If you apply shadow, it will looks like this, okay. So I am one by one I am applying this. You can see now the title is become like this, okay. So whatever changes I have made, I have shown you properly that how to do the things or how to do the modifying the paragraph style and the character style, okay. Again I am repeating the steps, just note down the things properly. First we have to go to this format, then styles and formatting, okay. So from here also you can use this styles and formatting. When this small window will open, from here you can choose paragraph styling or character styling or frame style, okay. Frame style also you can see here are available frame style. You can use this frame style as well, but whatever you are choosing, whatever you are using, just you have to select the whole text where we are applying the style, okay. Otherwise it will not be applied, right? So here other styles are the page style, okay. Page style also we can change, okay, shown in a proper document. Actually here I am just showing you the basic things so that you will understand the steps, okay. And how to modify a style, suppose I have chosen a character style, emphasize, right click on it, two option you can find, modify, go to the modify, you will find a window. From here you can choose your own font, okay. Background also you can choose, okay. Let me set a background for you so that you can understand, okay. Let me do that. You can see which text I have selected. For that text only a background has been applied, right? I hope you have understood these things properly, or you are getting the things how to do this, okay. Step by step follow the steps and you will able to do this. It is not a rocket science or like any kind of that very not very tough things. These are simply, you will practice more, you will master it more, right? Okay, now the next thing we will do, we will see that how to update a style. Okay, so let's move on to our presentation. So already I have showed you how you can apply your modified styles. Number one is loading style from a template or a document. Number two is uploading a style from a selection. See, loading a style from a document or template, that means already you have some template or document in your system. You can apply that particular document style which is already in that document or which is already present in the template. Okay, or updating a style from a selection. This one we have done just now. We have done this, that is updating from a selection, updating a style from a selection. Next is how can we create our own style. Okay, that is called custom style as well. How to create our own style, that is also called a custom style. Answer is there are two different ways to create our style. Creating a new style from a selection or dragging and dropping. So this is the first one. You can say create a new style from a selection and dragging and dropping to create a style. Okay. Now you can copy a new style from an existing style. This is a new style we can apply to a document. Okay, and save as a template. Okay, I will show you in the practical one. This one in the next session we will do a proper practical. We will create a resume or we will create a biodata. So we will see all the things, all the styles we will apply. Not all the styles, actually some styles we will apply, and we will modify also the things. And how to create your own style, that one also I will give you a small demonstration so that you will understand it in a proper way. For now, just know the theoretical part, that dragging and dropping to create a style is one another option. Okay, you can drag and drop a text selection into the style and formatting window to create a new style. Okay, so I hope these two questions you have noted down properly. These two questions are very important questions. So along with the theoretical part, these questions are also very important, right? So note it down. Next question we will see, what are styles. Okay, now let's move on to the question answer. Just last 5 to 10 minutes I will give you for the questions. Okay, so all of the things we have learned today, the first thing is style selection, or what are the advantage of using style inside a open office document or a digital document. First is styles are predefined formatting. Okay, styles are predefined formatting attributes in a digital document processing that can be used to apply consistent formatting to text and other elements. The advantage of using style include consistency, as I told you beforehand as well. This consistency is very important for a document, for a good document, definitely for a good document. It is important. Efficiency in formatting in document is also very important. Flexibility in making changes to the document. Okay, that means whenever we need change inside a document, we don't need to change each and every pages. Whenever we change a style or we modify the style, automatically it will reflect the change in the whole document. That is the thing, flexibility in making changes to a document. Okay, improve accessibility for users with assistive technologies. That means it will improve technology for all users that who are using this open office for a assistive technology, right? Our next question is give 4 styles supported by OpenOffice org. Sorry. So in the beginning of the session only, I have listed down so many styles. So I will not waste any more time with this. Just you can just note it down that there are so many styles in OpenOffice org that we can use. Okay, that is, I have showed you two things, that is paragraph style and character style. Okay, page style and list style I have not show you. So using this list style I have to create a list first, or for this page style I have to create a whole document, otherwise this page style cannot be understandable for you. So that one definitely I will show you. Okay, so these two I have already shown you, character style and paragraph style, right? Okay, now, how we can create our own style? Just recall that portion that where we have told that you can copy the style from by loading them from a template or another document. Okay, that is one example. Another thing, we can create our own style by customizing the style by overwriting a existing style. That can be also creating our own style, but here actually it is asking you how to create a whole new style. Actually, maybe you have created one document. Suppose this is a document, you have already created this one previously. Another document you are creating now, this is D2. So whatever style you have applied in D1, that one you want in the D2. So this copy, you can do the copy, or whenever you are creating D2, you want to use a template from D1, that one also you can do. Okay, so let's see. Open the document into which you wish to paste the style. Next, locate and choose a template. Okay, then choose a style category you want to copy. Okay, and if you want to copy the style to override any style with the same name in the document, you are putting it selecting override. Like select override means you are creating your own style from a existing style, like overwriting the thing. As I told you already, the style is existing, but you are changing into it something, you are changing into it, you are customizing the style as your own needs. So that is creating your own style. Okay, to copy style from one document from another, click the form file button. Okay, this step I will show you in the next session, how to copy a new style or how to create our own style in a text document. Okay, so for today, this much we have covered. We have covered all the styles, how to apply a style, how to modify a style. I have showed you two different style, paragraph style and character style, and all different kind of style. We have learned about all different kind of style, and most importantly we have learned how to open the OpenOffice platform. Okay, you can download OpenOffice from Google, from open source, means it is open source software and you can download it Google very easily. Just write download OpenOffice 4.1.10. Okay, that is the latest version, or maybe more latest version has been come, so you can check it out in Google. Okay, and download and installation part is very easy, so it is not a very tough thing, right? So I hope you have understood the whole concept I have given to you today. And in the next session, we will meet and we will see the practical things, more practical things. I will create a whole document. I will show you the page style and list style as well, how to create list style. And definitely, I will show you how to create your own customized style with some template, with the help of the templates, right? So let's end up today's session here. And remember one more thing, practice makes you perfect. So this topic is like that only, not this topic. This subject, this whole subject is based on the practice and practical things. So more and more you will practice, you will learn in a better way. So keep practicing. We will meet in the next session. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.